What's up everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we are here for a product review about the ALPAKA Toiletry Bag that is just in front of us. So thank you to ALPAKA for sending me this product and let's dive right into it. So first of all, on the exterior features, as you can see, it looks kind of similar to a sling. You even have some two loops we'll see right after. Maybe you can also use it as a sling, as a very nice sling. But the main purpose of this bag is a toiletry kit, so to put your toiletries. The exterior fabric is a weatherproof fabric. It's 200D ripstop nylon. As you can see, it's pretty nice. I will be right close, and you can see a square pattern for the ripstop. So if you don't know, the ripstop is when you have a tear or something, it will stop the tear from going. On the zips, you have here some YKK zips. It's waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers, so they're reversed YKKs, and you have this coating that makes it almost waterproof. At least it's splash proof. Then on the back, so as I said, you have these two loops, and you have this detachable short nylon wrist strap that you can see right here. So the purpose is when you have this in your backpack, you take it out and you want to go to the bathroom, so you can just be like this, and like a little purse, you can move it quickly. If you don't want it, no problem. You can just detach it. That's what I will do right now. So the color is a pretty nice black. On the exterior, you still have a little pocket right here. It goes to here. I think you can put maybe some little tissues or something inside here if you want to do a quick grab for something that you really need. And I think that's about it for the exterior. Let's go to the interior. So you have first the outside pocket. As I said, very nice YKK zippers. And when you go inside, you have this 200G gray X-grip ripstop nylon. So here you see some square patterns, and here you see this X shape, which is also really nice. The interior is clear, so you have a good view of what's inside. Very nice pocket right here. The zips are just amazing. They feel so satisfying to open. And then the main compartment, you have two YKK zips with a little pull tabs like this. And you can open them like this, or only one if you want. We will just check what type of YKK it is. I think it's YKK 5 or something. 5 RC, as you can see right here. Perfect. So very nice YKKs. And so the main attraction, as you can see, it opens pretty wide. You have the ALPAKA logo with keep moving forward. You have these dividers in a cross pattern. So you can put some things here, you can put some things, and it goes like this. So you can put a flat item if you want on the bottom. Then you have a mesh pocket right here with also YKK zippers, and you have a mesh so you can see through. And on the other side, it's here. Here you have another small pocket. This one is maybe more for the toothbrush because it's elevated. So yeah, pretty nice. And as you can see, you have a lot of space, and it looks almost like a sling, I think. That's why before trying to feel it, I will show you that you can use it as a sling if you have something like this. These are straps from another bag that I have. I happen to have them right here. And as you can see, these loops, they also wanted you to maybe use it as a sling. So you do this, and then you can just use it as a sling, a regular sling. And I think it will pretty much do a very good job as a sling because it's pretty flat, yet it has a lot of space. It has some pockets like this. So I will put some pictures of me wearing it as a sling. I think it's a really nice bonus if you don't want to use it as a toiletry kit, or if you want it to do like the two things. So maybe you put your toiletries inside, and then when you feel the need to have a sling, you just remove everything and you use it as a sling. So I think I forgot nothing about the options and the specs. Now we're going to, maybe just there is a ALPAKA logo right here. It's very hidden, so it's a thing that I really like about ALPAKA is they don't go intrusive with the logo. Here it's almost too hidden, I think. Here you can see it, it's pretty nice. Okay, so now we will try to pack it as a toiletry bag, toiletry kit. So here you have everything that I need. I'm a very basic and minimalist guy, so maybe I think I will not be able to fit everything, like I will have a lot of space left. But anyway, first we can begin with the toothbrush. For the toothbrush, will it fit? Let's see. And it fits perfectly. I have this little thing on top, but it fits. It's the exact size for a toothbrush. So that's perfect. Then I have this, it's some scissors to cut your nails. Where will I fit them? Either I fit them on the bottom here, or either I can put them on the side. So that's what I will do. I will put them on the side. Then maybe this, either I put it on a pocket. This is a Matador 1 week capacity toothpaste. I can just put it like this. It's perfect. This is some other things. I will put them here. This is just in case when you go to the airport you need something. So I will put them here. Everything fall down. Here I have my perfume. So it's right here. I can put it here, but you almost have the place to put full size things. So if I want to put my little different things right here, this maybe we don't care. And this, so you will maybe have some hair here, but maybe you can just put it here or put it on either sides if you want. And this I will put right here. But as you can see, I'm pretty minimalist. I have some medicine here. So you will still have a lot of space. And if you close it, it's really small. It packs really tight. So it's a really nice toiletry kit. I've seen some others from other brands that I will maybe not name, and I think they are way bigger like this. It's very tight, but when you open it, you feel like you have a lot of space. So I really dig it, I really recommend it, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And if you want, you can use it as a sling, so maybe I will just demonstrate this to you. If you want to use it as a sling, I have some things here just to try and to see if it fits. So I will have maybe this on my sling. I will have a battery, so I can put it right here. If I put it on this side like this, it fits perfectly well, and I really like to have like the wire like this, because then you put your phone inside and it's perfect. Let's see if a Kindle fits. It fits pretty nicely. So it's a pretty minimal sling, but here you have it, and you can wear it as a sling with the two loops. And it's a pretty flat, pretty narrow sling that can be a really nice thing, and you still have this front pocket. So yeah, toiletry bag or sling, that's a good question, but I really recommend this product from ALPAKA. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will have the link with a 15% discount on all ALPAKA gear in the video description. So yeah, feel free to buy it if you liked it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.